I'm Praveen Dugar, working in the company Jebronics since last 18 years. I'm designated as an IT manager and system automation and looking at all the technology and automation related works in the company. Jebronics is one of the leading IT brand in the nation, and with the presence of 31 sales branches throughout India and around 150 service centers throughout India with an employee range of approximately 3,000 employees, and we have a very wide range of products in terms of IT subwoofers, DJ speakers, corporate gifting products, then surveillance, and even like we are coming out with online UPS and batteries. So our main ideology of Jebronics is to be always ahead, which always keep always ahead and in a competitive market. Okay, Jebronics is one of the well-known IT brand in India. Uh, since 1997, the company has started operating throughout India with their vast range of IT peripherals, surveillance, and computer multimedia speakers, and many other lots of products, which are like one of the most important product range of the company. So the ideology of Jebronics is to be always ahead in all the different sectors, let it be towards the human resources, towards the sales, towards the markets, towards our customers, everywhere. So overall, like we are from one family called Jebronics. Since the company deals in various range of products throughout India, we manage all our inventory, sales, everything over a web-based application for which internet is a must, and without internet it is like of no use for the company to maintain all the inventories, all the different types of tasks in the companies. The services provided by you is like very much important for us. Without this service, like it is very much difficult for the company to manage all the day-to-day activities running on the company, running in within the company, and without the internet, I think company can't grow more further. Comparing to the previous service provider, what we faced use lots of problem. But after like migrating to Pulse, our all the major issues, major problem what we were facing earlier are totally resolved, and it is like very much suitable for the company. Since we are using our web-based software to run all the important activities of the company, so without internet, it is, as I said, it is not possible. So previously, the service from whom we procured was not up to date. Migrating to Pulse, all our services, all our tasks and all got very easier. Initially, like when we were facing lots of issues with the previous service provider, one of your sales team member, Mr. Salva, approached us, who was also in touch with my earlier team member. After like getting in touch with him, we thought that okay, we should take a chance to get a new relation started with Pulse. So in this way, we came to know about Pulse, and now like we are very much comfortable with the service provided by Pulse. This service is really no doubt extraordinary, provided by Pulse. Every time, whenever we, even like for a single minute also, if there is any issues or anything, immediately the support team call us back, and even like the support they provide us is like very prompt and very fast. So based on this service support and type of relation they are maintaining with us, it is really like outstanding. The factor on which we selected Pulse was number one, the continuous approach by your sales team. Second is like the price was one of the factor, and third and most important factor was the getting the connection over fiber, which as of now, like no other service provider are providing the fiber connection at our location. The most important fact what was in our mind was that Pulse provide the service on both RF and fiber, which no other service provider provide us. So that was one of the major factors why we started a relation with Pulse. The best part of working with Pulse is the customer support. What they provide is really outstanding, which as per me, no other service provider can provide. The customer support is really strong point where I would really suggest uh, other companies or other my friends, colleagues also to go with Pulse. Apart from customer support, also their price is much better than the other service provider. We have achieved a lot after getting the service from Pulse, and even their proactive monitoring system, what they immediately tell us about if any downtime or anything is there, immediately they call us and tell us about the same, and based on which we also try to rectify if anything is there at our end. And after getting this service, we have achieved a lot, since we have around 2000 employees, 2000 users throughout India who use the different application, and that is completely run our Pulse link received from Pulse. So on that basis, really we have achieved a goal towards the success of the company. Definitely, it has exceeded our expectation. Where how and like when company will grow more, we will definitely look into the other requirements which Pulse might be having with them. So definitely we'll go other options available with Pulse in future to succeed more. It has exceeded our expectation, and we were really surprised where like other service provider takes around approximate 7 to 10 days to deliver the connections, to deliver the service. Pulse has provided the delivery within 2 to 3 days max. Even as far as I remember, at Madaram, by next day itself we got the connection, and it was really surprising. And even when we informed to management that earlier we informed that we may get the connection in within 7 to 10 days, but after getting the connection in the second day itself, management was also surprised to know about that. And the level of service is really, as I said earlier also, it is really extraordinary, where everyone from your team like Mr. Salva, Ms. Gitanjali and other your technical guys are always prompt, are always ready to help us at any moment of time whenever we face issue. And the one more thing I would like to mention is hardly like last week or 10 days before, we just made a call, and within 5 minutes your person were here to rescue us, to find out the problem, and really they came and resolved the problem, which has really exceeded our expectation. Definitely 101%. I would like to refer, suggest whatever the best possible words uh, to go with Pulse. The service is, as I said, the service is really extraordinary. The support level is above 100%. The relation what they maintain with their customers is really unbelievable. And definitely, why not? Even when we are so much satisfied with the services, with the connection what we have, with the link what we have. So why I would not suggest to others. Definitely to all my friends, colleagues, I'll urge them to go with Pulse when and whenever they need a particular service.